We're looking at a 5 1/4 inch floppy disk carrier made by 3M. These were given to us by Norm Thresher, Pastor Norman Thresher, probably 1985, 86, 87, something like that. He used to work for the gas company, and he probably stole these. They were filled with discs, and he gave them to us. This one says Michael R. Lukacs on it. On the other side, Vic 20. So we're going to see what's inside of this floppy disk carrier. All right, first thing we got is Temple of Apshai and Vic 20 games. That's a whole bunch of random Vic 20 games like Sword of Fargol and other things like that. Ultima 2 and Telengard. Yes. Ultima 3, Exodus. Ultima Escape from Mount Drash. Realms of Quest 3. Realms of Quest 5. 2 different discs for Realms of Quest 5. So you wouldn't be able to find many things that were available for the Vic 20 on disc. And these load with your standard 1541 just plugged into the Vic 20. A lot of this stuff was cassette that I had put onto disc because it loads a lot quicker. It's just a lot easier. Now games like Ultima 2, this was just released in April of 2025. Somebody completely redid the game and released it for the Vic 20. Unbelievable. Same with Ultima 3. Somebody released this, wrote the whole thing and then released it late March of 2025. And then this is probably the most expensive game on the Vic 20 for sure. Ultima Escape from Mount Drash. And that's put on disc, loads right up. The tape will cost you probably $1,500. Let's see what the dog's barking at. What? You want to play Commodore Vic 20? Do you want to play Commodore Vic 20? You do want to play Commodore Vic 20. Bark if you want to play Commodore Vic 20. Anyways, that's what's inside the disc carrier. Pretty exciting stuff.